Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Halloween Drawings. We're back at it again. It's that time of year. I'm excited because Halloween is my favorite holiday. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for it. I don't really know yet, but I'll get to it. So let's start getting into this. So I'm sorry. We're gonna go over what we're gonna draw today. We are gonna draw a cat cupcake again. This is the second time we drew it. So I'm gonna be using this time. This is Art Minds. That's a brand of permanent marker this is, but this is exactly like a Sharpie. It has this pointed edge. You see how it kind of points exactly? It's not a big flat cut-off edge. I can show you an example of a flat cut-off edge right here. Like that. Don't use that. You could if you want, but I really prefer this because there's more control within this. So we're going to draw right now cat cupcake. So square for the bottom part of the cupcake. Frosting part. Up. Up. Sides. Don't worry, we'll fix that because we're going to bold that in. Inside of the ears. Eyes. Nose. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill this entire shape in here. And you got to have kind of a newish marker, honestly, or at least a decent marker for this. Because if it's already drying out, it's going to be such a pain to do this. And this is really what kills markers when you do this, when you're shading in large areas. Let's see, I can go relatively quick because this marker is so juicy. If you want to put like maybe whiskers, you know, in white, you can do that as well. So when you fill them in, it won't fill in all the way. Let's keep going there. Come on, frosting cat. It's almost like a weird concept when you think about it. But this is supposed to be a cupcake in the shape of a cat, not a cat molded in a cupcake. That'd be weird and creepy. I'm gonna get rid of this last whisker. And then I'm gonna make it trail down. And that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do also is I'm going to add color. A little bit of color, just so you can, it's kind of just to be a little bit more interesting. I'm going to be using this Rose Art brand orange colored pencil. And essentially just put it down flat. All I really want is, you know, the color. That's what I really want. Whew. And awesome. There we go. That's pretty much it. Oh, actually, you know what? Pink for the nose. That's pretty much it. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you watching. You know, very happy with the channel. I'm very happy it's this time of year again. And, you know, have fun, be safe, all that stuff. I'll see you for more drawings. I'm going to fill in the ears, actually. I like that more. Anyways, have fun, all right, guys? I'll check you out later. See ya.